to make better use of the building space. The single module capacity of Midea V8 is up to 40 HP, which is 30% less than the volume of the previous products with the same capacity. Moreover, Midea innovative Combinable Side Discharge V8S can reduce the footprint by up to 50%, perfectly solving the insufficient space problem for VRF outdoor units on the same floor and making more flexible installation. It is equipped with a maximum ESP of 80 Pascal and ultra-long distance air discharge, which can avoid the heat island effect and ensure the efficient heat dissipation of the ODU, and adapt to various shutter opening modes and angles. The Midea V8S can easily enter the elevator with packaging, without crane installation, reducing installation costs. The 4-way connecting pipe can be hidden and make the installation more concealed. The maximum capacity of a single unit is 24 HP, which can adapt to a larger space and combine 4 units that reach maximum 96 HP. It breaks through the boundaries and saves space and resources for human being.